Edexcel Core Pure Calculus 2 Improper Integrals. Integrals with the function undefined at a limit. Here we're trying to integrate the function 1 over root x between the limits 0 and 2. Although the function is clearly defined at the upper limit of 2, we can see from the diagram that the function is undefined at the lower limit, which is x equals 0. Therefore, we cannot tell just by looking at the diagram whether the area can be defined or whether it will be undefined. So in order to deal with the undefined function at x equals 0, we're going to rewrite this integral as the integral from a value a to 2 for the function dx. So we're going to integrate from a defined value a up to the top limit 2 and then look at the limit as a tends to 0. So this is the limit of a tends to 0, and if we integrate 1 over root x, we get 2 root x from a to 2, and then if we sub the limits in, we get 2 root 2 for the top limit minus 2 root a for the bottom limit, and now as a tends to 0, which is the actual bottom limit, we know that root a will also tend to 0, and therefore the area will converge on 2 root 2. So the area is defined as 2 root 2. You see the full detail there. So the process is to replace the problem limit with a variable. We used a, and then, having done the integration, to see what happens in the limit as the variable tends to the true value, which in this case was 0. In the next session we'll be looking at integrals that cross a value where the function is undefined.